Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the excretory system in humans. Okay, in our earlier classes we have learned about the circulatory system in humans. Today we are going to learn about the excretory system in human beings. Okay, this is given on page number 148 to 49, 148 and 149. Okay, chapter number 11, class 7 science, and the topic we will be discussing in today's video is the excretory system in human beings. Okay, so earlier in our class we have seen that in the circulatory system what happens, the waste materials, okay, like the carbon dioxide or some bacteria, they are taken out. Okay, we have seen in the lymphatic system, okay, that waste materials like some disease causing bacteria are removed through the lymphatic system of the human body. Then through the circulatory system what happens, we remove the carbon dioxide, okay, waste material, that is carbon dioxide, from our body through this circulatory system. Today we are going to discuss about the excretory system. Okay, there are some waste materials other than carbon dioxide produced in our body. Okay, there are some waste materials like uric acid. Okay, all these are waste materials. So this has to be removed from our body. Now this cannot be removed through the circulatory system in human beings. Okay, so to remove all these other waste materials that cannot be removed through circulatory system and the lymphatic system of the human body, we have this excretory system in human beings. Okay, the excretory system, okay, diagram of the excretory system in humans is given in this board. Okay, so the human excretory system consists of these things. Okay, blood vessels, kidney, uterus, okay, and the urinary bladder. Okay, our excretory system consists of blood vessels, kidney, ureter, and urinary bladder. Okay, we will be discussing about this in detail one by one. Okay, first of all, let us see how does this kidney work. Okay, our kidney, how does it work? Okay, our kidney is present in the abdominal cavity. Okay, it is present in our abdominal cavity. Now how does this kidney work? Okay, how does it help in removing waste materials from our body? Okay, so now this blood is brought through these blood vessels, okay, or the arteries, it is also called artery. So this blood is, all the blood is brought to the kidney through these blood vessels. Okay, so now this blood enters the kidney. Okay, blood enters the kidney through these arteries. Okay, so now you can see this picture here. So what happens, there are tiny openings, okay, which acts like a filter. Okay, you know what is a filter? Filter, what happens, it removes all the waste materials. Okay, it purifies the water. Same like that, what happens, this kidney, there are lot of tiny openings, millions of openings here, through which the blood flows through and which acts like a filter. Okay, it filters the blood. Okay, and these waste materials, okay, these waste materials, what happen, it flows out through an opening which is called the ureter. Okay, these two from both the kidneys. Okay, so this waste material that has been filtered, okay, all the blood enters through this, and through the process of filtration, what happen, all these waste materials are what, filtered, and the waste materials flow down here. Okay, waste materials flow down here. So what are the different waste materials that are produced here? Okay, what are the different waste materials other than carbon dioxide that our body produces? Okay, it produces urea. Okay, one waste material is what, urea. Okay, one is urea. Then we produce ammonia. Okay, then uric acid. Okay, all these are the waste materials that are produced in our body and which is removed through the process of excretion. Okay, so all these waste materials, if they are not taken out, what will happen? It will lead to serious health problems and we may even end up losing our lives. Okay, so that is why it is very dangerous. So it is very necessary to remove all these things through all these waste materials from our body, and this is held by our kidneys. We have got 2 kidneys. Okay, so these waste materials containing what happen, urea, ammonia, uric acid, all this flow through a bag. Okay, bag like structure or the sac like. Sac means, okay, in our language what we say sac is what, bosta. Okay, this urinary bladder, what happen, it is like a bosta. Okay, it is like a sac. Okay, so now what happen, all these waste materials get collected here. Okay, get collected here, and this is taken out by the ureters. Okay, these waste materials are taken out by the ureters. So this is how kidney works. Okay, this is how our excretory system in humans work. Okay.